Today we'll be talking about one of the effective strategies of which you could use on Betway to make more money, which is the over 0.5 first half strategy. We'll also be including the leagues of which you should use while using the strategy, and I'll also giving you an example with the teams of which have done this. So we're gonna be focusing on the Bundesliga. Then I'll be making an example with these two teams, which is Bayern and Hoffenheim. You can see that both of the teams have been scoring first half. So we're making an example using the last 5 matches of the teams and checking the stats whether this strategy is gonna work with this team or not. So checking here, you can see that most of the last 5 matches, checking on the first half HT, almost both teams have been scoring over 0.5, which just explains that either this team or that team scores 1 goal, then you win first half. You can see that the Bayern on October 2022 did score 2 goals first half, so which means he can win. In the other matches on April 15th, 2023, you can see that Bayern also scored 1 first half, and also the June 12th, 2024, you also see that Bayern scored 1 first half again. And you can also see at May 18th, 2024, both teams did score, which Bayern scored 2, marginally scored 2, which in total combined the other team's score, which is 3, with the method over 1.5 first half still applies, but to lower your risk, just go for the over 0.5 first half. Also, recently on 2025, 15th January, you can see that Bayern did score 3 goals the first half. So this shows that this method works and the strategy is effective on the Bundesliga. So the Bundesliga produces more goals first half. You can check or do your research, but this is the method of which we are talking about today. See you in the next video. Subscribe.